Are you wondering how to get out of debt? Are you looking for some places to cut back? In this video, we tell you all about those areas. Hey friend!
It's Austin and Jeanette, and if you're new here, consider subscribing.
On this channel, we teach you the tips and tricks on how to be better than yesterday. And in this video, we talk about cutting back and what that means and where those areas are that you can cut back. So let's get right into it. The number one place that you can cut back is food. So I don't like to cut back on food because I'm a reformed fat kid, but I do like to know what actually good food is, right? So right now we only shop at Sprouts, so we get fresh food and stuff like that. But you know what? We don't eat out anymore. Eating out is crap food. Fast food is crap food. We just try and eat good food. It is a slightly more expensive than like Smith's or something, or Kroger, but I feel like it's cheaper than eating out every day, which it obviously is. So we're using fresh vegetables, they're good produce, good meats, and stuff like that. So that's one way you can cut back, is stop eating out.
One of the ways I like cutting back on our budget is being able to choose foods, and I'm no longer brand loyal.
Absolutely.
So if I go to Smith's, if I go to Walmart, if I go to Target or whatever, I'm buying the generic brand named foods or items so that I can save money there. And basically, whether it's, I don't know, $20 or $30 on my budget, that can go into my savings or into paying my debt off.
Absolutely. So another thing is bulk shopping. So if you've got a Costco or a Sam's Club, we like to buy meats in bulk, and then we break them down with our food saver. We label them and we put dates on them and stuff like that. They're great for using in an Instapot or for crock pot nights, or even some just random days that you just feel like having a steak, but you only want to make one.
Yep.
So another thing you can do to help save money is coupon. Couponing, they've got all sorts of websites and stuff like that out there. I did it for a long time. I think we did it for almost 6 months. So we almost did it for 6 months, and I feel like it was really good and it really helped us. So certain stores have dollar days, like Kroger, where we were in the South. They would take coupons even after they expired. They've got all sorts of different websites that you can learn and understand how to coupon, because it was a great thing. We live in a state now that doesn't have regular coupons in their newspapers, which I think is weird. So I stopped couponing because of that. And that's really the only reason. Otherwise, I would still be couponing.
Yep, we really love couponing. Some of the things we were able to do was get half off of our entire grocery bill. The thing is, you can't really be selective on what kind of things you like or don't like. It's all about the coupons. They do double in some places, and that's really where you make your money, is you look up how to double coupons, what stores do double coupons and on what days, and then you just start loading up.
Yep.
So there will be other couponers there, and they will be doing the same thing. But it does save you a lot of money. When we first moved here, we brought so much stuff over that we didn't have to buy soap or laundry detergent for an entire year.
I just had to buy deodorant, and it's been 2 years.
Yep.
I think you still have deodorant.
Yep. And I have shampoo, and I have everything. Hair gel. So, yeah, it's not a bad deal. I love couponing. Couponing is definitely how you save your money for stuff.
Absolutely. So another way to save money is on your entertainment fund. We do a lot of free date nights and stuff like that. So we're into nature, so we can go on hikes or go to parks and stuff like that, and those are free. They've got movie in the park, which we're gonna do this Friday, and we're gonna take our toddler there so she can enjoy some free entertainment. We do a lot of stuff at home. We do YouTube nights where we'll just watch Rhett and Link on YouTube, or we'll just play video games at home or something like that. I'm really into puzzles because I'm a huge nerd like that, and so I'll just do puzzles at home and have fun with that.
Yep, and there's a lot of ideas online, whether it's Pinterest or Facebook or whatever. It's got lots of different articles on how to have free or cheap date nights.
Yeah, it's awesome. So number 3 would be clothes shopping. Don't judge. I don't even care if you judge, girl. But Goodwill has some great stuff, and you can even find brand new clothes with tags on it at Goodwill. And that's some of the stuff that I will buy. So I won't just buy anything. I'll check the bottom of the pants, see if the pants have been ripped, or the inside thigh, because girl, I got some thick thighs and they're up together. So I'll check all those things to make sure that they're good quality pants before I just buy something at Goodwill. But you can buy some brand new stuff and just throw them in the wash, unsanitized, and you're good to go. Also, clearance. And then like, so we got a toddler, right? So clearance and like Carter's has sales like twice a year with like 70% off coupons. So that's what I do my bulk seasonal shopping.
We do. You can buy clothes online that are used.
Oh yeah,
Poshmark, or you know, just gently used or good in fashion clothing for cheap. If you're up to those like name brands and stuff like that, and you want to do all that, then just look at Poshmark or Amazon. Amazon's coming up with free, not free clothing, but cheaper clothing now.
A wardrobe thing.
Yeah, and whatever clothes you don't use, you can send back.
That sounds pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
So those are the 3 things that we suggest you look hard and fast at to cut back. Food, entertainment, and clothing. Because I think that's where most people spend their money. Like, I know that was for us anyways. So what will be the hardest for you to cut back on? So that's the question of the day. For us, it was food.
Yep, definitely. We were, at one point in time, we were spending $700 a month on going out to eat.
Don't tell them. It's so embarrassing.
Yep, and then we did our budget for the first time and realized that all of our money was going out the door.
We were living paycheck to paycheck, spending $700 a month going out to eat.
Yep.
If that doesn't tell you there's a problem, there's a serious problem there. But we got it together, girl. We got it together.
So I hope you enjoyed this video of this part of the series. We're coming up with videos every week. So if you're new here, consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one.
Talk to you later, friend.